Hello, my name is Neil Blanchard. I am currently retired. I did have a former engineering career. However, the last 20 years, I've started over a dozen businesses. More specifically, the past 10 years was focused on developing software and a consulting firm to support small businesses. With that background, I've worked with hundreds of businesses, a few thousand business owners, and other professionals. This experience led me to why I developed this program. I will take the next 4 to 5 minutes to talk about the why, the what, and the value proposition of the profit recovery program. In working with so many businesses, I knew there had to be a better and more efficient way. Most business owners don't have the time and/or financial background to fully understand their financials. My objective was to create a comprehensive but easy to understand financial program to help increase cash flow while reducing stress and anxiety. Many small businesses don't have true CFOs and depend on their accountants for guidance. Unfortunately, many accountants are risk averse and don't like giving advice if it's not black and white. An example, one of the most common topics is cash flow. The answers I hear more often than not is go sell more. Well, if you got zero margin, selling more is probably not going to change that. There's obviously underlying things that need to be addressed first. But even good businesses want confirmation that they're on the right track, not leaving money on the table or not recognizing gaps that can't be corrected. I've never found a perfect business and truly believe there's always room for improvement. There are many financial programs on the market today that use rear view logic, looking back at historicals, focusing on their financial KPIs based on gross margins, general expenses, and total revenues with a minimal forward-thinking analysis. Ultimately, this leaves the business owner trying to figure out complicated and confusing charts and graphs for their decision-making. So the what? Our program looks and analyzes each and every line item on the P&Ls, using trend analysis of year-over-year comparisons to see any expense increase and or income line item decrease or other anomalies. Percentage changes are monetarily converted to hidden profits. These hidden profits, particularly over multiple years, create the talking points as to why and creating a plan of action looking forward to for corrective changes. The average hidden profits typically found are a little over 9% of revenue. Example, a $1 million revenue company would have about $100,000. $10 million revenue company would have about $1 million of hidden profits. And typically we see about 50% of hidden profits corrected in the first year. Lastly, we provide a roadmap based on hidden profits for a plan of action to create more cash flow, profitability, and more valuation for EBITDA for a potential future sale. The value proposition, this program is tried and tested with over $4 billion in revenue run through the system. Our typical customer was, but not limited to, under 10 million in revenue, which I believe is about 9% of the business world. We work with any size of business in the industry, and I believe these small businesses are underserved and looking for solutions. Businesses need more consistent cash flow and profitability. This tool can be an add-on to your current services and used as a valued door opener. It can also be used as a consulting or advisory service model. An example, if you're engaging with an average $4 million revenue client one time per week, you'll generate between $150,000 and $200,000 of annual income. Additional business models, you can resell to financial advisors so they can use it with their own business clients. It's increased value for buy-sell opportunities for business brokers, and it's increased value for business evaluation for equity and venture capital firms. In closing, I encourage you to contact the person who introduced you to this opportunity to schedule a 30-minute Zoom meeting or demo of this program, or you can set up a call for more detailed information. But I do want to be clear, this is a software sale only, not a business. I'll leave you with one final thought. Don't prejudge your client's needs. Got to ask yourself, what are they not telling you? They don't know what they don't know. So what if? The possibilities are endless. Thank you.